Hi everyone, welcome again to my kitchen. So today I'm going to be cooking tilapia fish. Yes, tilapia fish, grey tilapia fish. So here are my ingredients. This is my washed, clean, fresh, okay, that fresh, ready to be cooked tilapia. And over here I've got my red onions, ginger, garlic, and scotch bonnet. So this over here, we're going to be blending this up to rub over this tilapia before grilling it. So let's go, guys. Let's go. We're going to blend the pepper, the onions, ginger, and garlic for the sauce. Okay, let's check. So it's how smooth. You can use sunflower oil, any oil of your choice. Yes, I'm just gonna wait for it to heat up a little bit. Okay, so we're gonna go ahead and add the blended pepper. So I guess it will be a bit hot now, yeah. So I'm just gonna add a little bit of dry pepper. That is a burrero pepper, just a half teaspoon. And I'll be adding a little bit of chicken stock, just a half teaspoon chicken stock. And we'll be adding a half teaspoon salt. So just give that a quick mix. Okay, so we're just gonna let it cook. Okay, while the pepper sauce is cooking, so let's do some magic onto this tilapia. Yes, I'm just gonna cut so that the spices can go right in. Yeah, just stab it a little bit. Yeah. I want all the juice to penetrate right inside the tilapia. Yes, so I'm gonna do the same thing to the twin brother, or is it sister? Yeah. So we're doing this while the pepper is cooking. The mayonnaise pepper. So big, huh? Huge. So what I'm gonna do now, I'm gonna add some lemon just to get rid of I'm using lemon juice. So if you have the fresh lemon, obviously you can use that just to get rid of that fishy smell. So I'm adding some lemon juice to it. So this has been washed already. So I'm just marinating it with some lemon juice. We can never go wrong with lemon. Lemon is a key to everything. Lemon is so powerful, so great. You can use lemon for so many things. So yeah, so we're gonna leave this baby right here, and let's go back to the sauce. Let's go and check on the sauce. Let's see how the sauce is going. Okay, let's see. All right, so this is taken up. So it's nice and ready. Yes. So we're not gonna use it right away. So when I off the cooker, I'm gonna set it aside to cool. Obviously, we don't want to use it when it's still hot. If not, the fish should be cooked before you even put it in the oven. We don't want that. Okay, so it's nice and ready. Yeah. So I'm gonna set it aside for it to cook for 15 minutes. So just put it aside for 15 minutes. Guys, so we're on to the next step. So my pepper has cooled down. So it's time to marinate the lovely fish. So I'm gonna try not to touch it because I don't want no pepper in my eyes after. So just try and dress up your fish with the marinated pepper. This is gonna be so lovely, guys. Trust me, you can't go wrong with this. So nice. So if you have gloves, you try and wear gloves during this process because it's pepper. Pepper take a while to come off your fingers or your hand rather. So I'm just gonna buff my tilapia fish with the pepper sauce before we pop it into the oven to grill it. So I'm gonna put some inside. Lovely. Okay, it's so nice and ready. So let's jump onto the next one. I want all the juiciness to go right inside. So I'm gonna flip this over. Flip, flip, flip. Oopsie daisy. So huge, man. It's too big. It's even bigger than me. I can't even handle the damn fish. Alright, so let's marinate and put in the oven. Ooh, I can't wait, guys. It's gonna be so yummy. So we'll be having this with banku. This is Ghanaian dish. Banku and pepper sauce. Yeah, it's gonna be so nice. So nice. This is a lovely, 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 lovely dish. The kind of dish your kitchen is, you know. This dish must be included in your menu. You have to have this lovely dish. So that's all ready. So we're gonna on the grill. We're gonna put a cling film around there just to let it marinate for like 15 minutes before grilling. Yes, I'm gonna pop that in the fridge. You can leave it longer, yes, but I haven't got the time tonight, so I just want to have it quick, but it's still gonna be nice. So I'm gonna leave it to marinate for like 15 minutes. So then we can pop in the oven. So just put it in a cool place. Okay, so I'm gonna spray so the fish don't get sticky, so it don't get stick to it. Yeah, so nice and greasy. Okay, so it's now time to put the lovely fish onto the grill tray. Look at that, guys. Okay. So meanwhile, my oven is preheated. Ooh, nice, juicy baby. So I'm just gonna add some more pepper sauce to it. It's gonna be so lovely. Okay, it's time for us to pop into the oven. Let the magic begin. Just brought out the fish out of the oven, just for me to buff it with some more pepper so it can all come out very juicy. Yeah, so we want all those spice and juice to go right in. So what I'm gonna be doing also, I'm gonna spray with the oil, then put it back in the oven. So I'll be spraying it with my olive oil spray. Wow, it's gonna be so yummy. Yeah, so we'll be putting it back in the oven.